So, we all have that issue where right after you wash your truck or your car, it's all nice and pretty, it's all shiny, and then a bird poops on it. And you're like, damn birds. Yeah, talking to you. Usually it's just little bitty specks, just little, like you just get some Windex or some cleaner and just wipe it off, just a little bitty, it's not that big of a deal. What the hell happened to that bird? Good Lord. What? Stupid birds, dirty creatures. Stupid birds. I'm watching you. I'm gonna find you. And I'm gonna kill you. Hi. I'm watching.
Oh, that doesn't even smell like bird poop.
What? Oh.
That is not bird poop. There's no way. That's bad. That does not smell like bird poop. No, this ain't right.
Oh. How? What? Something's a little fishy here. This poop is on the inside of the window, like up underneath the window. Almost like something was thrown at the window. Unless the bird was so sick, it was flying along sideways, it was like, and it shot sideways. Oh, what the crap is this crap? Sideways explosive diarrhea. All done. I'm watching you birds. No one's safe. Oh, I hear you. Where you at? I see you. And now I wait. Crap! Okay. Probably rest for now. Can't keep an eye on it all the time. But they will come and they will poop on my truck again. Hopefully it wasn't that baby diarrhea / bird poop that I just cleaned off. That was pretty gross. So until next time, I'm watching all you stinking birds. Where were you, Lulu? Huh? Where were you when they pooped on my truck?